having a efficient website will definitely allow people to see what they're offering before they come. I got the protein shake. It was the strawberry cookie dough. Very good taste, and I'll come back.
Shows them a little bit of what we offer, but most importantly, just like our vibe here, and that we are more than just a shake and tea place. Being able to like help out local Mizzou students, because I'm a student myself, so I know what that's like as well. And mainly just really excited.
Being around everyone every day, we all get so close, and it just makes work not even feel like work. The website will make us look more professional, and also people love to have like visuals and everything, so I think people will love that.
What can I get for you?
Could I try Buddy the Elf?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It'll be $8 even. Here is that for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.